Absolutely. Let's dive into creating a Python script for a multi-agent system. This can be quite exciting and will allow us to explore how different agents can interact within a single program. 1. Problem. Context. We want to create a basic framework for a multi-agent system in Python. These agents should be able to perform specific tasks, communicate with each other, and respond based on certain conditions. For simplicity, let's define two agents: Inspiro agent and Greet agent. Inspiro agent. This agent will generate inspirational quotes. Greet agent. This agent will greet users. 2. Analysis. To create a multi-agent system, we need to define the base class for all agents, implement specific behaviors for each agent, create a system to manage and interact between these agents. 3. Examples. Skeletons. Here's a basic structure to get started. 4. Next steps. Expand agents. Add more agents with different functionalities. Improve communication. Allow agents to communicate with each other. Add context awareness. Make agents context-aware by using natural language processing. Feel free to build upon this foundation and let me know if you need further assistance.